Hi, welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Michael Pagano and I'm here today to take you through our brand new 2023 Sea Ray 23 SPX Outboard. Starting out here on the outside of the boat, we have this beautiful lagoon blue full hull color. This does extend fully underneath the boat. So if you were interested in maybe rack storing this boat or keeping it on a lift behind your house, you would not have to get the boat bottom painted and you can keep this beautiful blue color throughout the entire boat. Working our way a little further back here, this boat is equipped with a Mercury white outboard. Starting back here, you have a very nice sun pad that can also be converted into a lounge area if you just flip this up like that. Working down into the boat, we have a very spacious aft cockpit area, great for entertaining, great for the family and friends. This boat does come with tables, so if you wanted to have a nice docktail party, you can definitely do that. And you're also protected by this beautiful bimini top, so you get a lot of shade if you want to hang out and lounge. Both of these dual captain's chairs can spin around so you can join everybody and have a great time. Right below my feet here, you do have a very spacious in-floor storage locker. So if you wanted to put any skis or water toys, that's where you would stow those away. Towards the helm here, you have a nice digital dash. You have a 9-inch Simrad screen. Your new Mercury throttle system. It's all digital throttle and shift. And then you have all your nice LED switches right here with your Fusion head unit. Off to the port side here, you do have a head. And you also have a windscreen. So if the weather ever got a little bit rainy or windy, you can close this all off so the driver and the passenger and any of your other guests on board are protected. Up towards the front, underneath the seating, you do have some storage underneath both cushions. These are insulated and they do have a drain in case a little bit of water gets down in there. And then all the way forward, you have a nice anchor locker so you can tuck your anchor away and it's not in the way of any of your guests or stowed underneath any of the other important storage areas. Thank you for joining me today on this tour of a 2023 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. My name is Mike Pagano. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our other boats, feel free to give us a call at 609-926-0600. See you out on the water.